quick little hit right here. We're going to hit the outside hose bib on the house here. It's leaking from the top. This is you know, probably a common problem in older houses with older hose bibs. There's an easy fix to it, and we're going to show you how to do it right now. Let's get to it. Spider. Oh, got him. Sorry about that, little feller. All right, first thing we need to do is get the water out of there, pressure out. I've already turned off the water, and then so that takes care of that. Let's get our pipe wrench on here. I don't know. I haven't looked at these much. I don't know the situation here. Oh, she's coming loose. That's good. So that's what holds it on there, is this thing. Okay. This O-ring right here, boy, that O-ring is really wore. I did not bring, but here's your washer. This is what shuts your water off. You use a screwdriver to take that off, and we can replace it. You can get these really, you can get these seriously, I ain't got a flat screwdriver out here. Well, ain't that something? Well, I'm gonna try something before I have to walk all the way around the house to my truck. I've got this here little tiny Gerber multi-tool. It's called a dime. It's got a screwdriver here. We'll see what happens. Let's try it out. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a whirly go. Let's see what she does. Boy, she don't want to break loose. Let me try this. I don't want to break my tool. Oh, I got it. It broke loose. Not my dime, the screw. Now, see, now that is just handy dandy right there. We're going to replace this washer with one just like it. Now, you don't want to lose that bad boy, because if you lose that, you're toast. This whole thing will have to come out, and this is all soldered. You can't really access this behind here in the basement. It's a mess, really. So that's why the homeowner wanted to just replace them. And initially I was on board with that until we got to looking, and I thought, you know, let's just see maybe if we could fix them. Because this is not that difficult to do. It's pretty easy, really. Oh boy, I don't think I got a washer to fit. No, that is not good. That's one issue. That's one problem. Is if you don't have the right size washer. I got 3 packs here. This one's got multiple size. It might have one in here. This looks close. Let's see. Ooh, it's a little bit, tiny bit small. I might be able to get, oh, this one. That's it right there. That's the one. Okay. All right, now you see, there's a little recess here. This washer sits right down in there. You take your screw, you put her back in there like so. This has got to hold the washer steady. Now I've got O-rings here. This thing. Okay, I feel like that's too tight. I'm gonna loosen her up just a smidge. All right. Now there's a seat down, and I'll show you here in a minute. I want to get this O-ring off of here. And if you can see or not, oh, it just broke. That's perfect. Perfect. All right, let me get my O-rings. I got a whole slew of O-rings here. I should have something to work on this, no problem. This looks like maybe the one. You just have to eyeball what you're doing on these, you know. They're not. Let's get her on there like so, get her in the groove. All right, she's in the groove. That's probably gonna work. Now there's this stuff called, there's some stuff here, it's called valve packing. It's basically Teflon rope, 3/32 inch round rope. You can take this stuff and you kind of wind it around in there, and it'll do it. There's different types. This is an O-ring type. This is the first one of these I've seen, but you can pack those in there, and then you tighten it down, and that seals it up. Seals are all up. So this one's ready to put back in here. Let's give you a look-see inside. Now you see that seat? That's what the washer sits up against, and then of course the O-ring rides against this outside wall of the inside there. So we'll take this, put her back in here, unscrew that, and then we'll get this in there, get it down as far as it'll go, get that on there. Oh, my O-rings. Don't be falling out of there now. Alright, let's see here. Oops, I dropped my dime. I can't drop that. Crime in Italy. I got all kinds of problems over here. I wonder what Cousin Skunky's doing right now. Alright, in we go. Oh, there it is, it's in. Okay, now we set this on. And we'll tighten this down with our pipe wrench. Okay, I think that is going to work. She's stopped dripping already, so that's a good sign. There's one more to do. Let's go do it. Okay, we're at number 2 now over here. This one is also impossible to get to without tearing stuff up from inside the basement there, so we're gonna see what we can do. She's already open. Oh, nice spider web. What is that? Watch your head there. There, it's loosening up. Ah, my back. Oh, it's tough getting old. This house here, I'm guessing, is about 50 years old. Same setup. We got an O-ring and a washer, and this, boy, that washer is rock hard. Can't believe. Okay, now I don't know where my dime went. I think I might have dropped it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why is that wasper falling down by my head? Listen, animals, you nasty little... I ain't playing. I gotta go find my dime. Got my screwdriver on it. Alright, I found it. Okay. I'll tell you, that thing is rock. Oh, man. Rock hard. Let's get a new washer in here. And an O-ring. This one. I think this is the one. Where was that? You can pick these kits up over there to the Harbor Freights. They got them. All kinds of, you know, kits with washers and O-rings and the high pressure ones. They got them all in there. I like to have a lot of them on hand because you just don't know when you're going to need something from any number of them, actually. Okay, this one, it's not breaking. It almost broke. It's going to break when I bring it over this outer cup. Guaranteed. So here she went. Okay, let's see. Let's put an O-ring on here. That's not the O-rings. This is the O-rings right here. See, I got a large selection. I think it was one of these that I used on the other one. This dog. He's a Great Dane. And he's not like super friendly, but he's not like attacky either. You just don't know what to expect from the feller, you know what I mean? You don't know. That's the way it is. Okay. Set you here, sit. Oh, I dropped the screw. Don't do that, don't lose it. Come here, what the? Sit right there. Okay, this might be better. Yep, that's it. That O-ring was just a, now when I say just a hair, I mean just a hair too big. Alright, let's tighten this thing down. That's all there is to it. It's pretty easy. This one gave me a little more trouble than I was expecting, but overall, I mean, as opposed to tearing stuff out of the basement and drywall and all that, and getting in there to it, and cutting the pipes, resoldering, all that garbage. Nah, this is a great fix for these things. We're going to go turn the water on and see what happens. Okay, this one's turned off. No leaks that I can see. Turning it on. Also no leaks. Very nice. Let's go check the other one. Also no leaks on this one while it's off. We got plenty. See that? We got plenty of water there, and shut her off. She's good. So you don't have to be a plumber. You don't have to call a plumber every time you got some little tiny plumbing issue. You can call me or another handyman, or you can do it yourself. I got like $5 in that right there. So that's it. We're good to go. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.